local LLMs that you can run on your computer are literally crap. I tried them in real life use cases. I'm talking about even the best one, like Quen 3.6, Gemma 4. I've tried a lot of these models. The issue with them is when you provide a lot of context to them, they don't output a proper output that can be used. What they are potentially good for are very short answers and very short context prompts. And I'm sure most of you in real life use cases need to create something that actually outputs from longer contexts and longer outputs. And therefore, my recommendation is to wait. Don't buy local AI hardware. See, I have 64 gigabytes of VRAM using my M1 Max chip. And even though it runs pretty fast, the use cases for local LLMs are not good, let's say, for OpenClaw, and not good for real, like, powerful kind of requests. So even though the context window is big enough to contain the request, the output won't actually work in practice. See, I built an AI video editor and I tried running it using Quen 3.6, using Gemma 4. I tried all of this to try and make it completely free. The problem was it wasn't able to output proper JSON objects that made sense for actual use cases. And therefore, I'm telling you today, even though these local LLMs, they run locally, but they are not good for big, complicated jobs. They are good for simple jobs. They are good for simple, perhaps Q&As, perhaps chatbots, local chatbots. They're good for simple use cases, like perhaps answering simple questions with a very relatively small context window. That's when they're good and that's where they shine. But when it comes to the real deal, like OpenClaw or things with a massive context, they output a bunch of gibberish that doesn't actually work. They can output structured outputs that don't actually work. So I'm just letting you know, don't waste your time. I bought a MacBook Pro because I thought I was going to be running OpenClaw for free, like Julian Goldie says. Make OpenClaw free forever now using Gemma 4. It's baloney. It doesn't even output one proper. It can't really do something properly. And that's the problem with these local AI models. That's my opinion. If you differ, please write in the comments what you think, what local LLMs do work for OpenClaw and they work properly, and what local LLM models have you proven to you that they can do the job. For me, local LLM is not good at this point. Sorry to disappoint anyone who's bought an expensive MacBook Pro. I just have to tell you the truth. See you in the next one.